Yes. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So tell what we discussed in the last class.
So sums.
What we were discussing? I mean,
Uh,
we were discussing parametric form questions, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, everyone solve this question. Y is equal e to the power of x. Then dy by dx. Quick. Guys, it's a simple question. Look at this here. This is the y given to you. All right. So this is the different function. This is a different function. This is a different function. Okay. So you have to differentiate in different parameters actually. First of all, let's take this as, let me give this as p, q, and r. Let me give the three different terms and three different names. All right. So y is equal to what? P plus q plus r now. Okay. So now you have to differentiate with respect to x. So dp by dx plus dq by dx and dr by dx. All right, people. All right. So first we'll talk e power of x and 10 power of x, right? So let's talk about, let's first we'll talk about p is equal to e to the power of x, right? E to the power of x or not? Yes. So how do you differentiate this? By taking log on both sides. Log p is equal, how do you take log e power of x? So log p is equal to x into log e. Okay. So yeah, log e value is always going to be 1. Log p is equal to x. Log e value is 1 here. So d by x of log e, log p is what? 1 by p. 1 by p into dp by dx is equal to, differentiation of x is 1. So dp by dx is what? P. Is that clear? Hello? Is it clear, children? Next we'll talk
Yes, sir.
about q is equal to 10 to the power of x, right? 10 to the power of x. So log q is equal to x into log 10. Correct? So log d by x of log q is what? Differentiated with respect to x. dq by 1 by q into dq by dx is equal to x into d by x of log 10 is 0. Right? Is it clear? I mean, log 10 is a constant actually. You cannot say like that. Log 10 is a constant. Take it out. Dx by dx is 1 actually. Okay. So dq by dx is equal to q times of log 10. Next r. R is equal to x to the power of x. Log r is equal to x log x. So you have to solve this somewhat differently. Look at this here. X is a different function, log a is a different function. 1 by r into dr by dx. U v dash plus v u dash. So this will get cancelled. Dr by dx is equal to r into 1 plus log x. So this is what dr by dx. Dr by dx. Now, so what I need here? Dy by dx I need. So dy by dx is equal to dp by dx plus dq by dx plus dr by dx. All right. So now solve this. P plus q times of log 10 plus r into, all right. So basically, what is r here basically? P means what? E to the power of x on a. Q means what? 10 to the power of x log 10. R is what? X to the power of x 1 plus log x. All right. This is my dy by dx. Hope you got a clarity. Hope you got a clarity. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
It's a very simple question actually. Yeah. We'll move forward. If y is equal, given to you something like this, x plus x plus x plus till infinite. All right. So tell me the answer of this. Find the dy by dx. Keep, please do solve this. Let me have some water, please. Done. It's a very simple question actually. So looks very big, but it's a very simple question. See, already we have solved this type of questions in quadratic equations as well. So y is equal to square root of x plus. Can I write this as y? Isn't it looking like y? You understand my point? Hello? Squaring on both sides, y square is equal to x plus y. So differentiate with respect to x. So 2 times of y into dy by dx 1 plus dy by dx. All right. So 2y into dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to 1. Taking dy by dx common, 2y minus 1 is equal to 1. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y minus 1. This is the answer. Any doubts? Any doubts? Hello, girls, any doubts?
No, sir.
No,
Very
sir.
fine. Next question. If y is equal to square root of cos x plus square root of cos x plus square root of cos x plus dash 3 infinite. Okay. Then find out dy by dx. Quickly. Tell me the answer. Let's see. Within 45 seconds, you have to give me the answer. Within 45 seconds. Same type of question.
Sir, is it 1 by 2y minus sin x?
Sorry.
1 by 2y minus sin x?
1 by.
2y minus sin x.
Sorry, can you repeat again? Dy by dx is equal to
1 by 2y minus sin x.
into x, not sin x.
Okay.
No. 1 second. 1 by, can you please repeat again? 1 by?
So 1 by 2y minus
No,
sin
no,
x.
no, no. And I think you made some mistake. Sin x by 1 minus 2y. This is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Check the answer, please.
Okay.
Now solve the differentiation or find out the answer of this. This is parametric form question. Dx given, dy given. X given, y given. It is asking you to find out dx by dy is what. So first of all, you need to find out dx with respect to dt, right? How do you find out this? 1 by 2 outside, differentiation of e power of t. Divided of e power of t is e power of t only, right? Into inner function dt by dt plus minus t into differentiation of minus t, right? So dx by dt is equal to 1 by 2 e power of t plus e power of minus t minus 1 here, right? So dx by dt is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power of t minus e to the power of minus t. Okay, this is what you get. Next, dy by dt is equal to 1 by 2 times of d by e power of t into 1 minus e to minus plus e to the power of minus t. Okay, all right, got it. Directly I wrote beta. You understood? Is it clear? This is the first,
Yes,
this is
sir.
second. Now what I have to do for finding dy by dx, what I have to do? 2 divided by 1, which gives me dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. So 1 by 2 times of e to the power of t plus e to the power of minus t whole divided by 1 by 2 times of e to the power of t minus e to the power of minus t. All right. So what do you get now? This is basically, I think this is x. This is looking like x or not? This is looking like y. So answer is x by y. Got it my point? X is,
Yes, sir.
I think you need not to cancel this. Need not to cancel this. Now 1 by 2 times of 1 by 2 times of e to the power. Exactly, it is looking like x by y is the answer. Beta. X by y is the answer. X by y is the answer. All right. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir. No,
Yeah.
sir.
So we will solve a couple of JEE questions now. See, the derivative of f of tan x with respect to g of secant x at x pi by 4, where f dash of 1 is equal to 2 and g dash of square root of 2 is equal to 4 is dash. Option A 1 by root 2, option B root 2, option C 1, option D 0. Quick, quick. Very simple question. You cannot take this much time, please. See, within 40 seconds, 45 seconds, you have to make this question. Very simple question. Look at this. F of x given to you. With respect to g of x is nothing but dy by d. I mean, like, with respect to is nothing but in the denominator, you have to write like this. So, for suppose, let me give this any function. This as x function. F of tan x. Or else you take this as y. Let's take this as y function. Okay. And x is equal to g of secant x. Now we need to find out dy by dx. Okay. Dy by dx. This is, I mean, dy by dx is nothing but differentiation of this function with respect to x, differentiation of this function with respect to x. Or else let's give something, different name here. Let me give, this is p. Okay. So dy by differentiating y function with respect to x. What you're going to get? F dash of tan x into d by dx of inner function. D by dx of tan x is what? Secant square x. Is it clear? Next, dp with respect to dx. So g dash of secant x, d by dx of secant x is secant x into tan x. Is it clear? Is it clear? So what I need here? I need dy by dp. I need what? Dy by dp. So differentiation of y function with respect to p function as per his data. As per he is asking, this is what we need to find out. Hope you are getting my point, children. Any doubts here? So secant one time will be getting cancelled. That's it. And he has given what? D by, I mean, f dash of 1 given, f dash of, I mean, 8 pi by 4 given, 8 pi by 4. 8 pi by 4. 8 pi by 4 is nothing but x value pi by 4 given. Where f dash of 1, 2, f g dash of root 2 is 4. Okay. Dy by dp at x value pi by 4. F dash of tan x, tan pi by 4 into secant pi by 4 whole divided by g dash of secant pi by 4 into tan pi by 4. All right. So f dash of tan pi by 4 is 1. Secant pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Sorry, root 2. Isn't it? Whole divided by g dash of root 2 into tan pi by 4 is 1. F dash of 1 is how much given? F dash of 1 is given as how much? 1. I think 1 given to you. If substitute that f dash of 1 is given 1 into root 2, g dash of root 2 given as 4.
Sir, f dash of 1 is 2.
Root 2 by root 2 into root 2 into 2. This will get cancelled. 1 by 2 root 2 is the answer. Sorry?
Sir,
Ah,
f dash of 1 is 2, no, sir.
f dash of 1 is 2. Oh my goodness, 1 second. I'm sorry. Yes, yes. Yeah. F dash of 1 is 2 here. So 4 can be written as what? 2 root 2. 4 can be written as 2 into root 2 into root 2. Right? 2 root 2, 2 root 2 will be getting cancelled. 1 by root 2 is the answer. Option A is correct. Yes. Any doubts, ma? Girls?
No, sir.
Very simple question. Next. No, derivative of cos inverse of 1 minus x square plus 1 plus x square with respect to cot inverse of 1 minus 3x square all divided by 3x minus x cube. Quick. Guys, actually you can solve this question by using substitution method. Guys, this can be solved by using substitution method. Can I substitute x value as tan theta? Hello?
Sir, how is that?
Have you seen this type of questions ever?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Actually, this type of questions can be solved by, you might be thinking that, sir, cos inverse formula we know. Can we solve by using that method? Are you thinking like that?
Yes, sir.
No, you can't think like that, beta. So this is a JEE
Okay.
question. You cannot always think like that. I'll show it to you. Wait, how can you solve this question? Very simple question. As I told you that we know cos 2x formula. What is cos 2x formula in terms of tan? 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Correct? Are you able to understand here? Is it clear? Now cos 2x, right? Cos inverse of x value. So put what we know that. Put x is equal to tan theta, tan x. Okay, x is equal to tan x. So let me say this as y function. Let take this as y. Or else let take this as anything. You take anything above, no problem. So let's find out the let's take this as x and this as y. Okay. Or else let's take this as y, and let's take this as x. So now I need to find out what y function, right? I mean y. Then y is equal to what? Cos inverse of 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Now check. Look at it here. Y is equal to what? Cos inverse of 1 minus tan square x is what, beta? 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square is cos 2x formula. So this cos will be cos inverse cos will be getting cancelled. You're left with what? Only 2x. So now dy by dx I need. Dy by dx with respect to so this is how we solve this question basically. Or else look at this. What you, I think tan theta we need to substitute, beta. It will be easy for us because let me show you too. Look at it. Let me give something different name. Maybe it is again it will be y and x we give, so it will be like you take this as y beta and let's take this as p. Okay, let's take this as y and then let's take this as p. So I think cot inverse, right? So 2 theta, right here, theta, 2 theta. So cos will get 2 theta. So now dy by d theta I need to find out, which is 2. Correct? Dy by theta is what, 2 or not? Isn't it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Or else you do one thing, beta. I'll do simple thing here. Let us not differentiate now. We'll do one thing. X is equal to tan theta, right? So y is equal to 2 into theta is what, beta, here? What is theta here? Theta is equal to tan inverse x or not? Isn't it? So tan inverse of x. You understand my point? See,
Yes, sir.
in inverse trigonometry functions you might have learned. If theta is equal to sin x, then sorry, or else you write like this. If x is equal to sin theta, then theta is equal to sin inverse of x beta. Okay? This sin, if I go shift that side, it will become inverse. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes,
Adesha,
sir.
are you here listening the class or not?
Yes, sir.
So 2 times of tan inverse of x. Okay, this is what I took. Now if I talk about this p function is what? This is what. In the p function, I'll do one thing. I'll substitute. Let's take that. Let put x is equal to cot theta or cot theta, right? So cot theta. So now what we are going to get now? Cot inverse of 1 minus 3 cot square theta. Direct formula. 3 times of cot theta minus cot cube theta. Okay? So cot inverse of this is what? This is cot 3 theta formula. So what you left with now? P is equal. I'm just substituting P, right? P is equal to cot inverse of This is P is equal, right? So cot inverse of cot 3 theta is 3 theta now. So P is equal to 3. Theta is what? Cot inverse of x. ठीक है?